Welcome to the Explainer. So, for over a decade now, our lives have been completely tethered to those glowing little rectangles in our pockets. We're constantly staring down at them, interrupting our conversations, and basically pausing our actual lives just to check a notification or look something up. But based on the incredible source material we're unpacking today, that entire era is coming to a very abrupt and honestly very fascinating end.
I mean, seriously, will your smartphone actually be obsolete by 2026? It sounds totally like sci-fi, right? But a whole new generation of AI smart glasses is hitting the market right now. We're talking about devices that can translate languages in real time, navigate your world, capture hands-free video, and act as a personal AI assistant that is seamlessly overlaid right onto your reality. Today, we're exploring the breakthroughs in the very real timeline that are about to make the phone in your pocket look like ancient history.
Okay, let's dive right into this roadmap. First, we'll look at the end of smartphones. Then, everyday AI companions, followed by immersive gaming and entertainment. After that, we'll cover health, work and accessibility, and finally, why the future is now.
Section 2. Everyday AI Companions. Leaving the screen behind.
There's this quote that says, "It's almost like having ChatGPT built into your glasses." And honestly, that perfectly captures the absolute sci-fi magic we're dealing with today with the Qwen glasses. For years, our default human posture has basically been looking down, shoulders hunched over, totally disconnected from the world around us just to, get a quick translation or find some directions. Well, the Qwen glasses are a huge surprise in the wearable world because they flip that dynamic entirely. They don't just display text for you to read, they actively translate live conversations, they recognize the objects you're staring at, and they answer super complex questions completely hands-free. This isn't just some new gadget. It's a profound shift in how we interact with information. It's proving that the future of personal assistance isn't trapped in your hand, it's seamlessly integrated right into your natural line of sight.
It's super fascinating to see how different tech giants are actually tackling this everyday wearable challenge. Take Meta Ray-Ban, for instance. They're going with a highly robust hardware approach. A built-in display, a 12-megapixel camera, and a gesture-controlled neural band that makes interacting with the device feel incredibly intuitive. Then you've got the Rokid AI glasses focusing on everyday utility. They're super sleek, totally normal-looking frames, but they're packed with a camera and open-ear audio to keep you connected. But then, look at the Even Reality's G2. They take a completely different path, minimalist privacy. They purposefully leave out the camera, giving users this highly private, professional experience with an invisible heads-up display. It's a brilliant contrast in design philosophy, and it really shows that there isn't just one single way to build the future of wearables.
And this whole divergence in design naturally leads us to two totally different concepts for connectivity. First up, we have the tethered approach, which is perfectly illustrated by the Lucid Reebok glasses. These combine a cool, sporty style with open-ear audio and AI voice assistant, but they rely on your phone's processing power to keep you connected while you work out or commute. But then we have the second concept, the INMO Air 3. This thing is a true standalone AR computer. It literally doesn't need your phone to handle real-time translations, navigation, or media. All that processing happens right there on the device. It's giving us a tangible glimpse of a world where our traditional screens and external processors are just replaced entirely by what you're wearing on your face.
But the real engineering marvel here? It's just how much computing power they're packing into these highly accessible formats. Devices like the AI Known and the VIVE Eagle AI feature real-time translations, turn-by-turn navigation, built-in AI assistance, and hands-free media capture. The VIVE Eagle AI even features an open-air audio system so you can stay entirely aware of your physical surroundings while using it. I mean, they look like everyday, unassuming reading glasses, but they basically act like a dedicated team of personal assistants following you everywhere. The sheer miniaturization of this technology is exactly what makes the transition away from smartphones an actual viable reality.
Now, some companies are pushing these boundaries even further, right into the highly sensitive realm of human memory. Let's walk step by step through the Pickle One, which is perhaps the most futuristic and definitely the most controversial device we're looking at today. It essentially functions as a constant wearable memory assistant. Step 1, it actively observes your environment and your social interactions throughout the entire day. Step 2, its onboard AI processes the context of those conversations, your calendar, and your daily habits. And finally, Step 3, it projects intelligent reminders and real-time insights directly into your view exactly when you need them. But think about the implications here for a second. What actually happens when we offload our memory to a wearable device? If a computer is remembering faces, names, and contexts for you, it essentially becomes a secondary wearable brain. It absolutely raises some profound questions about human cognition and our reliance on tech, but the utility of never forgetting an important detail ever again,
That is undeniably powerful.
But here's the thing. This tech has to actually work seamlessly out in the chaotic real world, not just in some dark, controlled laboratory setting, right? Historically, augmented reality projections just wash out and become totally invisible the second you step out into bright sunlight. Well, that brings us to the RayNeo X3 Pro. These glasses offer full-color digital projections that are actually visible even in glaring outdoor environments. This is a massive leap forward in optical engineering. By combining advanced spatial tracking with this ultra-bright display technology, the RayNeo X3 Pro is practically a personal computer for your eyes that actually functions everywhere you go, completely untethered from indoor lighting constraints.
Section 3. Immersive Gaming and Entertainment, the Wearable Theater.
So we're definitely seeing a pretty stark divergence in the market when it comes to visual intensity. Earlier, we talked about invisible AI, those sleek, everyday frames meant to just blend into a professional or social setting. Now, we're talking about the wearable theater approach. These rely on heavy AR capability and massive digital displays. They aren't trying to look like your normal reading glasses. They are proudly presenting themselves as high-end, immersive hardware designed for maximum visual impact.
These devices literally put a private cinema right in your pocket. We're talking about massive virtual displays powered by stunning micro-OLED technology. For the gamers out there, the ROG XREAL R1 features a blistering 240Hz ultra-responsive refresh rate, which completely eliminates any lag between your game and your vision. And for pure movie-watching immersion, the VITURE Beast uses electrochromic tinting. This means the lenses can electronically darken on command, physically blocking out the real world around you so you aren't distracted by your environment. Combined with advanced head tracking to make that virtual screen feel truly anchored in reality, you will probably never want to watch a movie on a cramped airplane seatback screen ever again.
Moving on to Section 4, Health, Work, and Accessibility. Beyond convenience.
Now, the NBS Envision represents something deeply, deeply profound. We're not talking about watching Netflix or checking emails here. These are built to grant unprecedented independence to the visually impaired. They can read text aloud instantly, recognize objects in a room, identify friends and family by their face, and even describe a user's complete surroundings in real time. Through a highly advanced smart camera system and AI-driven scene understanding, this technology transcends basic convenience. It restores autonomy and safety to everyday navigation. It is genuinely life-changing technology functioning in real time.
And honestly, this brilliantly illustrates just how specialized these devices are becoming across all our daily routines. Let's look at a hypothetical timeline. So, at 7 a.m., you put on the Eden Lux 2. Instead of flashy AR, these focus on wellness, using advanced lens tech and AI visual training to actually reduce eye strain from all our modern screen time. Then, at 1 p.m., you switch to the Nimo glasses. You're suddenly looking at a portable, multi-screen virtual workstation without even needing to carry a laptop. Then, at 6 p.m., you hit the road with the Every Sight Maverick, which projects a cycling heads-up display, or HUD, layering real-time navigation and performance stats right into your field of view so you never have to look down at your handlebars. Honestly, by 6 p.m., a hyper-optimized day like this sounds a little exhausting, but it perfectly proves our point. There is a highly specific wearable AI device being developed for literally every single hour of your routine.
And that intense specialization extends right into heavy industry too. Take the Third Eye SXR. These are enterprise-grade mixed reality glasses. They definitely aren't for casual consumers. They project live data, remote expert guidance, and complex schematics directly to technicians and field workers. By keeping their hands completely free while they climb a cell tower or repair a turbine, this mixed reality tech is massively improving efficiency and physical safety, proving that smart glasses are actively transforming serious real-world professional missions.
Section 5. The future is now. Mass adoption in 2026.
So, to see if mass adoption is actually realistic, we really only need to look at one specific budget-friendly device that proves the price barrier to the AI revolution has officially fallen, the DPVR G1.
Now, you might assume a budget option would just strip out all the crucial stuff, right? But the DPVR G1 still packs real-time translations, object recognition, voice controls, a hands-free camera, and an open-ear audio system. When you consider that a modern flagship smartphone can easily set you back $1,200, the sheer value packed into affordable frames like these is just staggering. You literally don't need to spend a fortune to experience this shift. Devices like this are exactly why that heavy rectangle in your pocket is going to start feeling incredibly archaic, incredibly fast. This financial accessibility, that's the true catalyst that will drive the mass adoption forecasted for 2026.
So, from wearable secondary brains to private movie theaters and genuinely life-changing accessibility tools, the future is quite literally sitting right in front of our eyes.
The only question left is, are you ready to finally ditch your screen? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer today, and start thinking about which reality you're going to wear. Until next